$2,000 later.
Happy Wednesday, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Makeup Freaks. I missed you guys. Today's makeup video, we are going to do 5 different ways to apply eyeliner. Let's go ahead and jump to it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Before we start applying our eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and list out the 5 different style of eyeliner that I will be showing you today. Number 1 is going to be the no eyeliner / invisible eyeliner. Number 2 is going to be the classic bar. Number 3 is going to be a soft smoke. Number 4 is going to be a wing liner. And number 5 is going to be a cat eye. And for the products that I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be using the Sigma Longwear eyeliner. And then I'm going to use the Maybelline Graphic Master. And to smoke out the eyeliner, we're going to use the Murphy M508 brush. Sorry, excuse the hair. It's early in the morning. So for the first one, we are going to start off with our Sigma eyeliner. And for the no eyeliner / invisible eyeliner, it's just gonna be your top waterline and your bottom waterline. So the way I apply it, I usually put my mirror facing down underneath my nostril, and then I look up and just start going to town with that. There we go. That is the no eyeliner invisible eyeliner. For number 2, we're gonna keep the waterline eyeliner, and just with our Sigma, we're just gonna create a line on our lash line. Make sure you don't pull the eye because the line is not gonna be straight, and this creates wrinkles as well. So what I do is I tilt my head up and I start from the middle and work my way towards the outer corner and then back towards the inner corner. And voila, it's your classic bar. Okay, now we're gonna move on to our soft smoke, which we're gonna continue on with our Sigma eyeliner. And we're just gonna add a little bit more to the outer corner. And then with our Murphy brush, we're gonna go ahead and blend it out to make it smoke out. So we're gonna make it fade out. And that is how you smoke out your eye. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to our wing eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. For this next step, we're gonna move on to our Maybelline Master Graphic Liner. And for the wing, like I mentioned before, do not pull your eye. Again, it creates wrinkles. So what I do is I mark the area where I want the eyeliner to go up. So I always go to the corner of my eye and bring it up to an angle like so. And when I have the length desired, then I go from the corner of that and bring it in down to the corner. Bring it down almost down to the middle of your lash line, like that. And then start filling it in. Okay if you mess up. That's why there is concealer to fix your line. Okay, now that we have our tail done, now we're gonna work our way from the inner corner outwards towards the middle to connect it as one eyeliner. Work your way up. What I do is I have my eyes almost all the way closed, looking what I'm doing so I can get it as close as possible to the lash line. Like I said, it's okay if it gets messed up. You can clean it off because you don't have anything else on the lid, so it's easier to come off. Just keep going over the area until the color you desire is there. Okay, for the most part we have exactly what we want. We do have some areas where it's not perfect. So like I said, you can grab concealer and just clean that off. Or you could get a wet cotton swab and just clean up the top of the line and make it more sharp. Voila, we have created a wing liner. For the cat eye, we're gonna leave the wing liner. So you're gonna start off exactly like if you're doing a wing liner. The only difference you're gonna do is you're gonna add another tip in the inner corner. So from the tip of your inner corner, your inner tear dud, you're going to bring it down out. So use the point of the eyeliner and bring it out like so. So you see how it's coming out of my tear dud here where there's a little crease. We want to pass that crease to make the point. And we are connecting it. And then we're going to add some to the bottom lash and make a point like if we were doing it at the outer corner. We're just going to connect the little triangle like so. And just like before, keep adding more product until you get the color you desire. And like I said before, it's okay if it gets a little messy. Just get a cotton swab and clean it off. So you see in the inner corner how I went a little too down. We're just gonna go with our cotton swab and clean that off. And make our line, our point more sharp. And clean off a little of the under eye as well. And then you're gonna come in with your Sigma eyeliner. And you can either do a white eyeliner in your waterline, but I like to do black. So let's go ahead and add the black to it. And our top waterline. And now we're gonna check our work and go over our eye and see if there's anything that needs to be adjusted or cleaned off. So we're gonna go back again with our Magic Graphic eyeliner and perfect our lines. And voila, we are done with our cat eye. Let me go ahead and do the other one off camera. And that is it on the 5 different ways to apply eyeliner. If you guys like this video, go ahead and be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to share with your friends. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss any new upcoming video. Be sure to leave me down a comment if you're new and tell me that you subscribe so that way I can get back to you. If you want to give love to my channel and watch it see it grow, please share. I love you guys. I do post every Wednesday and Saturday at 2 p.m. and I will see you guys next time. Bye.